It's on. Live help. One-on-one session Saturday morning between 7:30 and 11 a.m. Eastern Time. I'm Chuck with Apple Drains, and I'm here to answer all of your questions about rainwater drainage, whether it be channel drains, downspout drains, yard drains, French drains, all of these questions that you have on how to install, or perhaps it's just materials, or will a backyard sump pump be needed? I can answer all those questions for you Saturday morning, 7:30 to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then after that, if I have time, I'm going to try to do a group live help. The group live help is free. So after the one-on-one session, I'm going to try to do a group live help if I have time. And those are really cool. Remember, we use Zoom, and I can admit up to 100 people all at once. We've had close to that before. We've had about 40 people all together at one time. And it's a great way to learn, because as one person shows their problem in their backyard, for example, like here, they show a flooded area. I'll help them by answering their questions and explain what is needed to solve that problem. You might recognize that problem in your own backyard. So you really do learn a lot from group help, and it's free. So check the description box below or the website, www.appledrains.com, and all that information is available for anybody that wants to come in on the free group live help. It's all available, absolutely free. Let me start you with today's video. So take a look. I think you'll like Jim. He is a studio musician. He's a drummer, and he's quite good. He's probably laid down drum tracks on songs that you've heard.
Hey, Jim TOSCANO here in Staten Island, New York. And I had a major drainage issue back here in my backyard. And I've been thinking about fixing this for a few years. And I've been watching Chuck on Apple Drains YouTube channel and learning everything there is about backyard drainage. So I've put together this video, and you'll see a slideshow of just how bad this backyard was. And also I will shoot some clips of the final project.
You know, I see a lot of flooded backyards, and in live help, take a look at the flood here. Notice that not only is his yard flooded, but check out the photo here. The neighbors' yards are flooded. Can you see that in the top of that photo? Jim totally solved this problem using a backyard sump pump. So you could see that he had laid that out just to pump out the yard. Here's his materials. You can kind of see everything that's needed here. What a great little project. And he actually laid it all out, dug it out. And you know what? It looks like one of our installs. As you see this, it really looks like one of our installs. So he's really studied, all of the videos where we show how to install this backyard system.
And just to show you quickly, this yard behind me is pitched towards my backyard, and you can see there's a downspout right there in the corner. All the water travels down into this area and then comes into my backyard here, and I built this little makeshift retaining wall just to hold back some of it, which actually helped.
I always admire the do-it-yourselfer when I see how much work they've actually done all by themselves. And when you look at this, doesn't this look like one of our installs? If you follow our videos, it looks exactly the same. So I know that it works. One of the things I did tell Jim when he called for the live help is to add some gravel across the top of that easy flow and create a trench drain so that that water dropped directly down into the French drain, the perforated pipe. The catch basins are so important. Don't forget your catch basins. And we added some more 6x6 here. This system works great. So you can see just how much work this really is, and I'm really proud of Jim. What an amazing feat to do this by yourself. He still needs to bury that discharge line. We talked about doing that, but right now at least that water is being carried out and out to the street where it belongs. Perfect. So yeah, we also discussed getting this discharge pipe, under that walk and out to the street. So live help, there's all kinds of things I can help you with and help you decide on what's the best course of action to do. But yeah, take a look at this project. This is something that all homeowners can do themselves. Way to go, Jim.
So I really want to thank Chuck at Apple Drains. A couple of tips. Watch all of his videos. And then when you're about to do your project, or like me, when you finish your product, if you're confident in your project, book some time with Chuck. He does live help sessions and he'll talk you through everything you need to do. Unfortunately, I was feeling pressure to get this done, and I didn't talk to Chuck until after I finished it, and he gave me a couple great tips, like doing the gravel fill on my French drain, but he gave me a lot of good tips after the fact. And yeah, man, I recommend taking the time with him. So thank you, Chuck at Apple Drains, for all of your wonderful videos and your help. And check out that song in the beginning and the end of Chuck's videos, because that's him. That's his song. That's him playing guitar. And yeah. All right. Talk to you soon.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.